Chapter 19 The reason due to which Almighty and Majestic drowned the world, all of it during the time period of Noah. The narrator says, I said to Al-Reza, what was the reason for Almighty and Majestic to drown all of the world during the era of Noah, and among them were children and ones who had no sin upon them? So the Imam said, there were no children among them, because Almighty and Majestic sterilized the backbones of the people of Noah and the wombs of their women for 40 years. So their offspring were cut off. They drowned and there were no children among them. Almighty and Majestic did not destroy by his punishment the one who did not have a sin upon him. And as for the remainder of them, from the people of Noah, Allah drowned them due to their belying the Prophet of Allah, Noah, and the rest of them drowned due to their being pleased with the belying of the beliefs. And the one who was absent from a matter and was happy with it, as like the one who was present and came to it participated in it. The reason due to which the town of Noah was named is the town of the 80. Imam al-Reza said, when Noah descended to the ground from the ship, he, and his children, and those ones who followed him were 80 persons. So they built a town, where they disembarked, and called it Town of the 80, because they were 80 of them. The reason due to which Almighty and Majestic said regarding his son, he is not from your family. The narrator says, I heard Al-Reza saying, I heard my father saying, Abu Abdullah Imam Hussein said that Almighty and Majestic said to Noah, he is not from your family because he was an opponent of his, and the ones who followed him would be considered to be from his family. The narrator said, and he asked me, how are they people reading this verse with regards to the son of Noah? So I said, the people are reading it upon two aspects. He is the doer of other than righteous deeds, it was a deed, not righteous. So he said, they are lying. He was, indeed, his son, but Almighty and Majestic negated him from him when he opposed him in his religion. Chapter 19 The reason due